Wiring diagrams, you can come in here and look at some of these other ones in here and get used to how those work as well. The ones that I think customers seem to look at the most is the system wiring diagrams. From here you can choose which system you want. And then you can see there's 1 of 2, 2 of 2, and I can just scroll through and look at these here. Now when you open a diagram, the way you know you can actually highlight and circle things on here is you'll have this over here. And so if I want to zoom in, now I can see the line, I can highlight it individually, or I could select this module here. You see how it turned from a pointer to a hand? Now it automatically highlighted all the wires coming out of this component and where they go. Now in this example, you see the wire comes back and goes in here. Now if I want to learn more about this, I can just see this blue hyperlink. Wherever you see that, instead of clicking on the component, you click here. And now over here on the left, it opened up a little pop-out. And these are the same thing as those rectangles that you would have seen throughout the demo. And these are the same exact information. It just saves you from having to leave the diagram. So let's take a look at this here. So without leaving the diagram, I can now see the connector and all the information down here. Scroll down a little bit further. Here's the pins and everything. And you can do that for any one of these here. And once you close it, again, you haven't left the diagram. So this is going to save you and your technician a ton of time from having to write down everywhere where it goes and then back all the way out to look back in again. A couple of more things about over here. This is where you zoom in and zoom out. This is where you can see resizing it. This is where it'll show or hide wires, and what it actually does is it dims the wires that you didn't highlight so that when you look at it printed, it will look a lot nicer. If you choose print here, then you're going to see these are more bold than these. I got black and white, or I can unselect that and choose color.